I didn't have enough time or bandwidth to record any on-cam bits, so y'all get doodle shoots this video. This doll is part of the Citizens of Solaris collab organized by ZynParker, featuring the work of almost 30 talented artists. Watch to the end to see all of the diverse denizens of this amazing city. Now let's talk about the theme. Solaris is a utopia where alchemy rules, existing in an alternate 1920s. The Roaring Twenties wasn't just a decade of glamorous parties and flappers. It was a time of unprecedented prosperity and cultural change following World War I, before leading directly into the Great Depression. That was my starting off point for my concept. My citizen will be a banker, or Coincounter, with a twist. With alchemy being the rule of the land, I imagine there'd be plenty of alchemists trying to pass off phony baloney coins they've transmuted as actual money. That's where my girl comes in. She'll be the one who checks the bank's money for counterfeit coins. To take the alchemy theme further, she'll be a homunculus, or an artificial human. I'm using an old custom Spectra as my base this time. She's not nearly as grungy as the base for my contortionist was, but cleaning her up wasn't as straightforward as last time. That's because past Toby used Sharpie to color Spectra's factory hair, and I didn't think to remove her hair before I tried removing the face up. As a result, her head got all sorts of stained. Good job, Toby. Before I finished removing the paint, I cut off all her hair to help prevent further staining. Spoiler alert, it didn't work. Removing the stubble and glue didn't go completely smoothly either. The glue had seeped into the hair, but inside the head it was crumbly and hard to remove. At least with sticky glue the consistency of snot, you at least have the odd satisfaction of pulling out some righteous chunks. Not so here. After a while, I rage quit and cut open the back of Spectra's head to finish cleaning it out. To cover up the stains, I had a rematch with my old foe, the airbrush.
Round 2, fight!
Thankfully, it went much better this time, so now I can start modifying the doll.
Toby wins.
I want my homunculus to look like she's made of marble, befitting the prosperity and luxury of the era. I used cling wrap to dab paint onto her body to create a marble effect. I learned this technique from Leona's workshop. I also want to add gold details, as if she's using the counterfeit coin she finds to repair her body. "1920s fashion wasn't just bedazzled dresses and zoot suits. I wanted her outfit to look stylish and comfortable, perfect for long days at the bank. I looked at casual 1920s women's fashion to create her outfit. She'll be getting a simple blouse, wide-legged trousers, a simple bow under the collar, some smart but stylish shoes, and a beret to top everything off. As a last detail, I wanted to give her some special eyewear, like something she'd use to thoroughly inspect coins for fakes. I modeled her eyewear after a pince-nez, but adding extensions to magnify details, like lapidary glasses. Makeup was caked on thick during the 1920s, featuring pancake foundation and a lot of rouge, which would look odd on what's essentially a statue. Our Coincounter's makeup will be more understated than the trends, but still adhering to 3 key beauty staples of the time: thin brows, smoked out eyeshadow, and super defined pouty lips. Her face up will be largely monochromatic, with silver and gold accents to help things stand out. I ended up giving her a somewhat bored expression, like she's thinking, if you're going to make fake coins, you should at least put some effort into it. I imagine she's been at this a while, and while she is a little busted, she's still very good at her job. I didn't want to give her real hair, since that would also be odd on a statue. Instead, I wanted to sculpt her hair using milliput. I very quickly found out that this wasn't going to work. This particular box of milliput is pretty old, so it's got a lot of solid pieces that exist purely to make problems. Rather than waste the putty though, I thought I'd make some coins as props, all while channeling one of my favorite YouTubers, Ordinary Sausage.
So will it blow? One Mark Ruffalo.
Realizing that this wasn't one of my smarter ideas, I called it good with just a few coins. Now I'll actually make her some hair. I have a ton of leftover wefts from Astarion's wig, so I'll repurpose those here. Between this project and my monster Hello Kitty, Astarion's wig seems to be the gift that keeps on giving. Despite not wanting to give her normal hair at all, I'm low-key obsessed with this stylish bob. It may be my best doll hairstyle yet. Now I think we can call her done. I've wanted to make a 1920s inspired doll for a while now, and I'm glad that it was a little more outside the box. And how much more outside the box can you get than a utopian society powered by alchemy? The Citizens of Solaris are a unique bunch, and the city would be nothing without their hard work and contributions. After you're finished here, don't forget to meet the denizens created by my amazing collaborators. Links to all their amazing dolls in the description. This gigantic collab wouldn't have been possible without everyone's support, and a big thanks to ZynParker for organizing everything and letting me join. I had a lot of fun, and really enjoyed working with everybody. Thanks again for watching, my dudes, and I'll see you next time.